I'm Kamantha Naidu for Investment Pitch Media. Thanks for joining us today. Peak Minerals is one of the latest new listings on the Canadian Securities Exchange, trading under the symbol PEK, following its initial public offering. The company raised gross proceeds of $402,500 from the issuance of 4,025,000 shares, priced at 10 cents per share, as the agent Haywood Securities exercised their option to increase the offering by 15%. Peak Minerals is engaged in the business of mineral exploration and the acquisition of mineral property assets in Canada. In June 2021, the company was granted an option to earn up to a 75% interest in the Aida Property located near Kamloops, British Columbia. The Aida Property consists of 5 mineral claims covering approximately 2,335 hectares located on the Shuswap Highland within the Kamloops Mining Division. There are 3 min file showings on the property: Mount Ida, Bonnie Brae, and Sunset. The property has a history going back to the 1920s, when a sampling of a vein at the Miller adit reported values 2.74 and 7.54 grams per ton palladium, 12 and 8.23 grams per ton gold, and 0.69 grams per ton platinum across a 4.75-foot width. Peak Minerals conducted an exploration program on the Aida property from June 30th to July 19th, 2021, collecting 656 soil samples, 28 rock samples, and 6 property-wide silt samples. One gold in-soil anomaly returned 83 parts per billion gold, with several anomalies ranging from 12 to 25 parts per billion gold scattered through the grid area. Several rocks returned anomalous values, with sample 409 returning 218 parts per million silver, 1,020 parts per million copper, and 5,050 parts per million zinc. Sample 406 returned 115 parts per million silver, 711 parts per million copper, and 12,300 parts per million zinc, with sample 408 returning 145 parts per million silver, 972 parts per million copper, and 17,300 parts per million zinc, and sample 427 returning 31 parts per million silver, 1,060 parts per million copper, and 60,400 parts per million zinc. The company has a proposed budget of $114,000 to undertake a property-wide UAV-borne geophysical survey, trace known mineralized horizons with selective detailed geochemical sampling, and complete detailed geochemistry and mapping combined with hand surface trenching of other areas of interest. The shares are currently bid at 11 cents, with no trades yet. For more information, please contact Gary Mussel, CEO, by email at gmussel@outlook.com. I'm Kamantha Naidu for Investment Pitch Media.